Unlock global payments seamlessly with your ultimate Payoneer guide. Let's dive into how to master Payoneer, your all-in-one payment solution. First, let's focus on receiving payments. Whether you're a freelancer or a business, Payoneer makes it incredibly simple to get paid by clients worldwide. Navigate to your dashboard and find the Receive Money option here. You can generate professional invoices for your clients. Simply fill in the details of your service, the amount owed, and your client's information. You can then send this invoice directly through Payoneer. Alternatively, if your clients already have Payoneer, they can send funds directly to your Payoneer account for international payments. You can also access your unique bank details, allowing clients to send payments via standard bank wires, just as if you had a local bank account in their country. Now, let's talk about making payments. Need to pay suppliers or contractors? Payoneer has you covered here too. From your dashboard, select Make a Payment. You can send funds easily to other Payoneer users with just their email address or Payoneer account details. For broader payment needs, you can initiate bank transfers to pay businesses or individuals globally, often at competitive rates. Managing your funds is intuitive. Your Payoneer account allows you to view your balances across different currencies clearly. You can see incoming and outgoing transactions, and easily transfer funds between your Payoneer balance and your linked bank account. For greater accessibility, explore the Payoneer Mastercard. This card links directly to your Payoneer balance, enabling you to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide and use it for online and in-store purchases, offering true financial flexibility. Payoneer also offers a suite of financial tools to help you optimize your experience. Explore their reporting features, currency exchange tools, and customer support resources to fully leverage the platform's capabilities. With Payoneer, you're not just receiving payments. You're building a robust global financial ecosystem. Start maximizing your Payoneer experience today.